In this video, we're going to talk about two ways to make ethanol. The first way will be fermentation, and then we'll look at how you can make it from ethene reacting with steam. The first method we're going to look at is fermentation. And fermentation is where we take sugar, which is C6H12O6, and we break that down into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Now, this is the method we use to make alcoholic drinks, and the way that the equation balances is by adding two 2's on the right-hand side just to balance out those atoms. Now, this method requires yeast as a catalyst. Yeast is an enzyme, which is a biological catalyst, but it helps in the process of breaking sugar down into the simpler molecules. The bonus of this method is that sugar is a renewable resource. We can replant sugarcane nice and quickly, and it regrows quickly. The downside is that the ethanol that we make out of it isn't very pure, and it also takes quite a while to make a batch of ethanol in this way. Method 2 was already featured on the last video about addition reactions of ethene, so it's kind of an overlap in the syllabus. So you've got ethene, which comes from cracking of crude oil, plus water to make your ethanol product. Now, in order to make this happen, you need high temperatures and you need a concentrated phosphoric acid catalyst, and you need to know that. The downside of this method of making ethanol is that ethene comes from crude oil, and crude oil is a non-renewable resource, so eventually we won't have enough of this to continue with this process. The bonus of it, though, is that it makes a really pure product, so if you want pure ethanol, then this is the route that you would need to take. Okay, cool. So those are the two methods for making ethanol that you need to know about.